In this guide, I'm going to show you how to claim daily pack rewards in Raid Shadow Legend. Intro. Now we're going to start on the Bastion right here. You need to open up the shop down in the bottom left, and then from here you need to go ahead and select daily and progression. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and you need to find the daily pack that you purchased. Daily packs are going to be marked with little calendar icons. So as you can see, there is a bunch of them right here. You just go through, select this little calendar icon, and you could just go ahead and select whatever the daily reward is. Now, every single one of them is going to give you different rewards, so just make sure you find the one that you actually want before purchasing it. But daily pack items are not all delivered at once. A new portion becomes available once every 24 hours during the pack's active period, so return to the daily and progression tab each day. If today's reward is unavailable, check whether 24 hours have passed since the previous claim, and you could also just close and reopen up the Raid Shadow Legends app to refresh the shop. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.